I got a million ways to get it. Choose one.
Choose one. Hey,
Bring it back, bring it back. Now double your money and make it stack. I'm on to the next one. On to the next. On to the next one. On to the next. On to the next one. On to the next. On to the next one. On to the next.
hold up.
Somebody bring me back some money, please.
Hove on that new shit. Niggas like how come? Niggas want my old shit. Buy my old album. Niggas stuck on stupid. I gotta keep it moving. Niggas make the same shit. Me, I make the blueprint. Came in the range. Hopped out the Lexus. Every year since. I've been on that next shit. Traded in a gold for the platinum Rolexes. Now a nigga wrist match the status of my records. Used to rock a throwback, ballin' on the corner. Now I rock a telesuit, looking like a owner. No, I'm not a Jonas, brother, I'm a grown-up. No, I'm not a virgin, I use my cojones. I move onward, the only direction. Can't be scared to fail, search of perfection. Gotta keep it fresh, girl, even when we sexin'. Or don't be mad at him when it's on to the next one.
Somebody bring me back some money, please. I got a million ways to get it.
Okay, so we're back. I got everything out of the box. And yeah. So here's the gun, magazine, grip, red dot sight, pistol, battery, charger, and the 500 BBs that come with it. And a strap that probably won't be able to use because this thing's plastic. And yeah, just like a plastic little thing's probably gonna break. And got it open my Gerber knife. So yeah, I'm gonna put this thing together. So I'll see you guys later. Okay guys, so we got everything put together. Usually we have the pistol, the sights, they're kind of bad. Anyway, yeah. We got the M4 with the red dot sight. It turns on. Yeah, so it's actual red dot. I think that's pretty cool. Yeah. So that concludes unboxing video of the Colt on-duty airsoft kit. So I'll see you next time.